Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and this is Morris from the best online tutorials channel here. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the error code on your Bosch washing machine. All right guys, so the error code we're going to be focusing on for today's video is the F08. Now the F08 simply means the machine detected an error as the door opened at the start of a cycle. So this is a safety lockout that prevents the washer from running. It can happen after a power flicker or if the lock mechanism is faulty. So if you're having issues with the lock of the door, you're most likely going to be getting the F08 error code or other similar error codes that mean the same problem. Now, if it's not the door, it would most likely be a power issue. So please make sure you have a stable source of electricity when you're running your washing machine. All right. So other than that, what are the common causes of this issue? We have the door not fully closed or something obstructing the latch. So try and check if there's anything obstructing your door as you try to close it. Maybe it could be a piece of cloth from inside the washing machine or something else. And then maybe it's a faulty door interlock or lock mechanism. So it could be any of these issues. So always try to check everything and make sure everything is set properly before running your washing machine. Another thing is power interruption during your startup. So if you are constantly having power outages or power issues, please do not run your washing machine as this could affect other internal components. And also, rarely it could be the wiring that's having issues on the door lock. So most likely the wiring of the door lock could be having issues. So please take note of that. Now, what a quick fix you can try? A quick fix you can simply try is just simply resetting the door and checking the door once you're done. So you could start simple by ensuring the door is simply closed and then nothing is blocking the latch. So make sure there's no cloth that's keeping the latch from closing, and then unplug the machine for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can actually internally reset, and then plug it back in and close the door firmly, and then try starting a short cycle, and that should simply fix up this issue. Now if the error persists, the door's interlock mechanism may be faulty, so clean around the latch with a soft cloth. If needed, inspect or replace the door lock, but you would need to unplug it first from electricity, then access it from the front panel. Try to consult your manual or get a pro for safety. And then once everything is done, you can reset it by unplugging for a few minutes and then running a test cycle again. And then if the issue still persists, just simply call a professional from the Bosch, well, call a technician, and they should get it fixed. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.